Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to hunt the mutant animals. You want to start here at the hunter's grotto. Here's
That's a cruel,
this
cruel world
guy.
out there.
But now there's
But
another
have you
guy back
come
here
back?
in the back
Well,
room.
look at you now.
Back
You
here, and he
don't even
has
have a hunter. I got just what
basically
you
the same
need.
stuff the other guy's got.
You come see me when you need some
But
more.
he does have quests for the
Oh, lend me
mutant
a hand with some of these.
animals. Kill mutant deer, find mutant deer antlers at 80% durability, kill mutant deer with shotgun, so on and so forth. Looks like he just, you know, anyway.
Ain't got no patience for time wasting.
And here is a map that shows where all the mutant animals are at. Now you have your deer, which are orange, your wolves, which are blue with the paw prints. And then you have your mutant boars, which are the green ones. Uh, there's all the locations they can be at. We are going to go try and find. Let's go see if we can find a mutant deer. Looks like there might be one over at the junkyard area. So let's head on over there. I'll meet you there.
Stay howdy, stranger. You
Okay, we are here now. Junkyard. There's a hunting stand here, so I'm gonna try. We're gonna see if we can call one in with a bait feeder. Hopefully we can. Now we just wait for that to open. Oh, get your hand rifle up there. Hopefully it don't just call that one over. Nope, there's one called a different one. Okay, well I'm gonna keep trying until I run out of bait, see if we can call one in. Okay, after several attempts, I have not been able to call one in. Well, we just gonna go with the tried and true method and go walk around the area, see if we can spot one. Oh, I hear something. Sounds like a deer. Yep, there's one right there. White mutant deer. See it? Yep. I got it. Yep. Yeah, I just run around until I found one. I found this one right here. Yeah, that's all it is to finding them. Once you skin them, you'll get mutant hide, mutant meat. I'll get his mutant antlers. Yep, see mutant deer antlers. Mutant hide. All that just says big game guts. You know, his head and his meat. Just chop him up. Yep, once you collect everything, you can head on back to the trader for your reward. Yep. Oh, there's it. Yep. Mutant buckhead. Yep. Well, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks.